Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. I'm your host, Absolute, and I'm here to talk about confidence. Okay? That's going to be the subject for today. We're talking about getting your mind right when you approach this game. Okay? I have some quotes that's going to set it off for us today. Confidence comes from hours and days and weeks and years of constant work and dedication. Unfortunately, I forgot to write down the person's name where I got that from. Well, let's deal with the message. Confidence comes from hours and days and weeks and years of constant work and dedication. I can speak to that because I put in a lot of time into learning these markets. What's more important, I put in a lot of time in learning myself, okay? Becoming a day trader, this is the only business in the world where in the beginning, for every new trader, you internalize every single trade. I've had days where I've traded and I made $100 on a trade. And I felt like the king of the world. Like the market was my playground. Then I've had trades where I lost $25 or $50 and felt like a bumbling idiot. Okay? What I was really doing was internalizing those wins and losses. Here in America, we're all raised with a mentality of winning all the time. And unfortunately, the stock market does not work that way. No one can hit a home run all the time. No one can call the top. No one can call the bottom. The best that we can do is make an educated guess or stack the probabilities on our side, which means that, right now, for me, for pretty much the better part of my trading career, when I started making improvements and started being consistently green or consistently profitable, my win rate is somewhere between 60-70%. Okay? So if you're new to trading and investing, and you may feel like, wow, I have so far to go. Wow, I'm confused. Wow, I don't know how to do this. Okay? The first thing you need to realize is that you can do this. You can learn how to do it. It's a process. It's not impossible. Okay? I'm here to tell you, as the next quote is going to allude to, experience tells you what to do. Confidence allows you to do it. Okay? There's another quote that says, if you believe you can or can't, you're right. Okay? So it's about having that confidence in your skill set, which some of you may have it, some of you may be learning to have it, but stick with us here at the Absolute Boss Collective. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Watch the videos. Leave questions and comments so that you can learn, okay, how to trade, how to invest, okay? Once you learn how to do that and you develop your skills, okay, you then have to believe in yourself, okay? There is a higher sense of self. We can all achieve great things if we raise our level of consciousness, raise our thought pattern, okay, to the higher levels of self. A lot of people don't make it because they sabotage themselves. Okay, and you have to be mindful of your feelings and emotions. Okay, a lot of us have a lot of issues that was put on us being raised here in America. We have all of these things that tell us we can't. I'm here to tell you, and the Absolute Boss Collective is all about you can. Okay, but be mindful of your your emotions and your feelings and what you're going through, okay, and confront your fears. And that's how you're going to be able to gain confidence. You have to realize that in the market, or being a trader or being an investor, there's going to be wins and losses. That's just the bottom line. That's how it works here in this business. And once you realize that, you need to separate who you are as a person from what you're doing as a trader or an investor. Okay? Once you focus on the process, okay, and the work, and develop your character with discipline, okay, with study, with application, you will eventually get to where you need to go. But you have to be confident in your own abilities. This is the reason why you're not supposed to take stock tips. You're supposed to be doing your own homework. If something comes across your radar, somebody else talking about it, it should already match with your own opinion. Okay? That's okay. But you can't turn on CNBC or turn on Bloomberg or go to Twitter or Stock Twits and see, what somebody else is doing and just follow them. You have to be confident in your own self to be able to develop as a trader and investor. You can identify good companies. You can identify good trading setups. You can perform due diligence and look into companies and see if it's a good company or it's a bad company. Okay? Confidence is going to come from within. Okay? You have it. You're never supposed to doubt yourself. Okay? That's what I was taught as a 5%er. You don't doubt yourself. Okay? Everybody can doubt you. The whole world can doubt you, but don't doubt yourself. See my cat in the background? She don't doubt herself. She knew for a fact that she could jump up on here and I wouldn't move to knock her down. Okay? Because she was what? Confident in her abilities. Okay? So for all you new heads out there that don't have the abilities, leave me a question or comment below pertaining to what you want to learn how to do. And we'll make that happen. I could make a video catered to you, catered to where you are. That's what we do here at the Absolute Boss Collective. It's about taking my experience, okay, because this is my trading journal, taking my experience and sharing it with you, identifying where you are in your journey, and assisting you to get there. I'm confident that I can help you do that. You have to be confident that you can learn. This is not a game, baby. We got to make this happen. Okay? So for the Absolute Boss Collective, this is Absolute signing out. Peace.